this video, we're going to show you how to make AI music. Head over to udio.com. At the time this video was made, it's a beta version, so it's currently free to make music. As you can see here, we can add our own lyrics. I've made a prompt in ChatGPT to make a song about YouTube that we can use. Just copy the text and paste it into the song creation area. Now we need to choose a music genre. As you can see, there are a lot of them to choose from. Let's try Latin and club this time. Now you just need to select the Create button and wait a few minutes. 2 songs have been created. Let's take a listen.
In a digital world where dreams take flight, there's a platform where stars shine bright. From makeup tutorials to gaming streams, on a site where anyone can chase their dreams. Welcome to YouTube, the land of the screen, where creators unite and audiences gleam. From the funny, to the profound, it's a place where magic can be found.
In a digital world where dreams take flight, there's a platform where stars shine bright. From maker tutorials to gaming streams, on a site where anyone can chase their dreams. Welcome to YouTube, the land of the screen, where creators unite and audiences gleam. From the funny to the profound, it's a place where magic can be found.
In the song menu, you can remix the song, extend the song, among other things, and you can also download the song if you want to keep it. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.